Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So yesterday ICI has released CA final results. There are very peculiar and interesting things in these results, including All India first rank in CA final new syllabus is secured by one girl of 19 years. Can you believe? Nandini Agarwal, who is just 19 years old, got All India first. Point number one. Point number two. Can you believe if I say she got 8 exemptions out of 8 papers? First attempt, 8 papers she wrote, 8 papers, all the 8 papers exemption. She got, 1 2 papers 90 plus as well. And one of the excellent results exhibited by a student. And not only that, her brother, who's 21 years old, his name I think is Sachin, he also got All India 18th rank. Isn't it wonderful? So many students are asking me, Pawan sir, how come a student who is 19 years old can write CA final exam? Beta, I'll tell you one thing. Previously, 7-8 years back, a student from Andhra Pradesh cleared CA final when he was 13 years old. Not even completed 14. He was 13 years old and he wrote exams. So it is possible. So we need to take inspiration from them. And after that, so many students are asking so many questions. Pawan sir, how is pass percentage? Whether pass percentage is good? What about CA intermediate and IPCC results? When they will come? What will be the pass percentage? Well, we cannot predict the pass percentage of CA intermediate results. But I can tell you one thing. Tentatively, CA intermediate results are going to be announced between 19th and 20th of September. That is what the information I have received. Is it authentic information given by ICI? No. I've spoken with some of my seniors in ICI. So they said tentatively 19th and 20th will be the date. So your festival is there in 4-5 days. Wait for that. And I have done a small analysis on this yesterday's CA final pass percentage that I'll tell you. And before going into these details, I'll tell you one more very interesting thing which I have put status in my WhatsApp yesterday, and there was a huge big debate on that. And I have received more than 60-70 responses to my WhatsApp status. I did not respond to many of them though. New syllabus CA final, All India rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. Old syllabus CA final, All India rank 1 and 2. There is no third rank, only All India rank 1 and 2 are there. This 5 out of 5 ranks in top 3 for CA final is secured by girls. You know that. There is not even one boy for namesake in top 3 list. Why? I don't know. So if you want a debate, comment section is open. You can start it again. But I don't know what exactly is the reason. Maybe girls are more focused. So is that the conclusion we can draw? Or girls are more consistent, disciplined, dedicated? I don't know. But the fact is 5 All India ranks in the top position for CA final, both in old syllabus and new syllabus, they are secured by only girls. Chalo. Now this is the pass percentage analysis we have done. July 21 results we are looking at. And all over India, CA final new syllabus group 1 exam is written by 49,358, passed by 9986. Pass percentage is 20.23%. I personally consider this to be one of the best results. CA final 20% is not a joke. It is very good and encouraging result. Some students complained, Pawan sir, this paper is like that, that paper is like this, FR paper is like this, SFM paper is like this. So many ifs, buts, and so many other things were there when the examinations were held. But still I am telling you, 20% despite all the other factors is a very good result. Okay, then group 2, 42,000 students wrote, approx 7,300 students passed, 17.36%. This is much better than group 1 result, I tell you, because normally group 2 pass percentage will be lower than group 1. Normally, there is no benchmark as such, but it is my observation. But this time, 17.36 compared to 20 is still far better, I tell you. Normally group 2 pass percentage will be lesser, but still this is, I feel group 2 pass percentage is much better than group 1 pass percentage now. Though mathematically, arithmetically, if you look at Pawan sir, group 1 only is high, that even I know. Then both the groups is 11.97%. This is also very encouraging. 12% in CA final, both the groups. You cannot expect more than that. But a very big debate and fight is going on about the old syllabus pass percentage, wherein those students who wrote both the groups, pass percentage is just 1.5%. That means out of 100 students, 1.5 students passed and 98.5 students failed. Or maybe if you convert it into full terms, out of 200 students, 3 students passed, 197 failed. So looks, little scary, but that is what it is. But still, group 1 you got 11% pass percentage even in the old syllabus. Group 2 13% pass percentage. Still these two are very good. These two are really good. Final both the groups, why 1.57% came, we really do not know. But if you look at this two, you understand that even pass percentage for old course is also pretty good. If you compare this with the pass percentage of the previous attempt, what is previous attempt? Jan 21. The exams which are supposed to be held in November 2020, they were postponed and they were conducted in Jan. No? So if you look at, these are the pass percentages. Group 1 is 4.79, approx 5%. Group 2 is 12%. Both the groups is 1.41. Okay, this is for old course. So you look here, old course, this time they have given 10%. More than 10% probably. How much they have given? Yeah, 10.74, 12.87. So group 2 is almost 12% same. Group 1, compared to previous attempt, the current attempt, yesterday results were encouraging. Both the groups more or less it is same. 1.41, 1.5. There is no much difference on it. Then new syllabus pass percentage, if you see, 6.55. This was the result in previous attempt. Huge increase is there, huge shift towards north, 20.23%. Towards north means not North India, South India. Don't start that debate. Towards north means increase. Curve going above, we call it looking at north. So 20% is there, 17% is there, both 11% is there. So compared to last year, don't you think the pass percentages are better? Okay. So if you recollect, whenever I speak in the class, whether it is a physical class or an online class, or whenever I discuss about pass percentage, I'll tell you one thing. Do you remember this famous dictum which says, failure is never final, success is never permanent? You remember that? So I think there is some power cut. Hello, anyway, no problem, we have UPS. So there is a very famous saying which says, success is never permanent and failure is never final. Okay, what is the meaning of this? If you are successful in the exams and if you have successfully passed the exams, don't get too hands on it. Be humble. Be humble, because life goes on. There are so many other things. If you have failed, don't take it to your heart. It's okay. We'll not give up. One more try. So yesterday, one student has sent one mark list to me, wherein he passed all the 4 papers. CA, final, old syllabus. All the 4 papers he passed with 197 marks. No exemption. Just imagine his position. Poor guy now. But still, what to do? Life goes on. So you say, Pavan sir, ICA is mean. They have not given good results. Better whether it is mean, median, mode or full statistics textbook. This is the reality. So if you are successful, don't take it here. If you have failed in yesterday's exams, don't take it here. Okay, if you are successful, be humble. If you have failed previous attempt, prepare a solid study plan. Next time you have to crack with best marks. I have one student from Kerala. She failed in CA final exams in Jan and she got 23 marks in SFM. She said, Pavan sir, in my whole life, I have been a school topper, college topper. Never I got 23 marks in my whole life. Yesterday's result, she passed. She is a qualified chartered accountant now. And her marks in yesterday's result in the same paper, SFM, same paper, 93. From 23 to 93. I asked her, what did you do? Have you joined any other coaching? She said no. Then I asked, then how you prepared? Only ICI study material. I have prepared ICI study material, RTP. That's all, sir. Nothing I have done. But that a kind of, rejection feeling is there, no? I converted that into a kind of vengeance. with lot of passion and enthusiasm. I know that I have to crack this SFM with distinction, but I have not expected 90 plus. Good now. She is my student for accounts. She is not my student for SFM. But still, as an example, if you take 19 years girl getting All India first rank, and people who got 20-25 in the previous attempt getting 90s, 95s in the current attempt, and the pass percentages, encouraging pass percentages, take everything positive. Take everything positive. Despite all these factors, if you have failed in the exam, don't worry. Prepare a solid study plan. Join crash course if you want, and write some model exams. And in ICAI website, there are so many good resources like case studies are there, MCQs are there, and quick revision materials are there. Just download that material, and please be patient, be disciplined, be consistent, and definitely next time you will pass with flying colors. Okay, so this CA intermediate and IPCC results are going to be announced on 19th and 20th. So you are waiting for that. I wish you good luck. Don't be panic. Now you cannot do anything, no, even if you are panic. So many students are texting me, sir. So I understand that feeling, but still, please be bold. God will be kind. Okay, wish you all the very best. And I'll come with free lecture series. There are going to be 50 free lectures for CA intermediate. And this time the good news is I am starting free lectures for CA final as well. So see you in that classes. Bye-bye. Take care.